more clowning around. It's time for Monkey Business!
It's time for monkey business. But you might be wondering, where's his box? Well, I can't put him back in his box because his box is filled with LED lights and strobe lights. So yeah, so can't show his box right now. But I do have him all unset up behind this camera, and it's completely a mess. So let's just get into straight. Let's think about life. Let's just get straight into the setup. First thing that you're always going to want to start with is the base. And then next you're just going to grab your poles. You don't gotta follow the ways that I do it. You can put whatever pole you want in first. D goes right here, and then C goes right here. E, I think that's B. Yeah, B. And then you're just gonna want to put on his shoes. Okay, so next you're just gonna want to put on his pants. It doesn't matter where. Well, yeah, actually it does matter where the pants go, because you gotta make sure that there's a little hole for the back and then little hole for the front. And then next you're gonna want to put on his control box. And then you're gonna want to put on his hip loop. And you're just gonna pick up his pants around the hip loop. Next, you're gonna put on hole H. You're gonna snap it in like that. Next, you're gonna put on his shoulder form thing. It's very heavy. Then next, you're gonna put on his shirt. What you guys are gonna do is you're gonna grab his hand. This is how I do it. You can do it the other way, but this way is better for me. Put his arm. Like that. And then you just like that. And you do the same thing with the other arm. Next, you're gonna grab the head and you're just gonna put the wire down and then snap lock the head in. This is for the mouth movement. So what you just do now is you just snap lock this thing. And you can fix the clothing on the wrist and the arm. And then next you can just grab his little hat. Sure it's the side, yeah. There's gonna be two Velcros, one right here and one right here. I don't think you guys can see it though. Then you are just gonna put it on like that. Alright, so then you're gonna grab this piece. If your piece is bent like mine came like this, then you have an advantage. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put it upside down. You won't be able to use this though, so that's unfortunate. But I do use the zip tie, and so it makes it a lot more better. And so doing it like this will make it pop up faster. That's why mine pops up like a rocket. If yours is like this. Yeah, because it's not supposed to be like that. What? Look. Yeah, no. But hey, it's an advantage. You're going to want to go through the... You could just go from the front of the pants and then just put it in. I didn't mean it like that. Okay, so next... What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect the thing. I don't think it matters where it goes, I guess? I don't think it matters. And you're gonna grab the front of the box piece. That's labeled L. Let's snap it in. Next, you're gonna grab, I already have my collar connected to the monkey. Your monkey will not look this detailed. So then you're gonna take both of the wires, one wire coming from the neck and one wire coming from the head. Then you're just gonna there's going to be those in there. Let me just see if I can grab one. There's going to be little hooks on the end. And so you're just going to put those over so then the box won't lift up on all four sides. So next, you're going to look at the hands. There's going to be little things on them. Just going to do that. There's little holes in there so then the hands can go in there. After you plug in all your wires and you get everything situated to what you want it to look like, you can plug in your 6-volt 2-amp adapter and turn up the volume to wherever you want, and he's going to reset for me.
Monkey see, monkey do. Okay, ready for the surprise?